In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide the favorite toolbar in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting to explore the world of trading charts, having quick access to your favorite tools is incredibly beneficial. TradingView offers a convenient way to manage your favorite drawing tools. This functionality allows you to keep your workspace tidy and tailored to your needs. First, if you're working with a different asset, go to the BTCUSD demo asset on TradingView. Once you're there, turning the toolbar on or off is simple. You'll want to focus your attention on the toolbar located at the bottom left corner of the chart screen. You'll notice a small star icon. By clicking this star icon, you can easily toggle the favorite toolbar's visibility on and off. This action gives you immediate control over your workspace, providing quick access to your most used drawing tools whenever you need them, or giving you a clearer view of your chart when you don't. But perhaps you prefer using keyboard shortcuts to streamline your work process. If that's the case, TradingView has got you covered. You can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus H on both Windows and Mac to toggle the visibility of the favorite toolbar. Just a quick note, be sure that your chart is the active window on your screen when you try to use this shortcut. If another window is active, the shortcut won't work. Another handy method to manage this toolbar revolves around using your mouse. Simply right-click on any part of the favorite drawing tool's toolbar. A menu will appear, and you'll see an option to either hide or show the toolbar. Selecting one of these options will either make the toolbar disappear from view or bring it back, depending on what your current needs are. This is particularly useful if you don't remember the keyboard shortcut or if you prefer navigating with your mouse. So there you have it, the 3 simple ways to show or hide your favorite toolbar in TradingView. Incorporating these options into your daily trading routine can vastly improve how you interact with your charts, making sure the tools you most frequently use are never more than a click or a key press away. These small adjustments can lead to a more efficient and enjoyable trading experience. As you master these techniques, you'll find it easier to keep your workspace organized and more visually appealing. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical tips like this. Happy trading!